back with Zipper 96 back here for another video for y'all today. Well, it's that time. Time to eat a can. Again. I think I've only done it like 3 times. 2 times. This is going to be the 3rd. That's besides the point. Well. Hold on. Well, technically we're not going to do a full can. We're going to do half a can each. Now, I haven't said it yet, but I'm going to say it now.
What?
I'm choking on that. This is backwards. It's here too. 1998.
Yeah.
Oh no, we're going to take that off because that's beaming shit. Fuck that. Well, we're going to attempt to do that. Kayak Peach. And yes, it's been like 3 pinches taken out since I bought it.
Yeah.
Because I took the pinch out for the review. She's taken at least 2 pinches. Yeah. If y'all can see that, the lighting's probably not that best. I decided to do it out here because it's probably going to make a mess. So. Don't mind that.
Neighbors driving by.
I'm going to do this the best way I possibly can. And how I learned it is this. Grab a pinch. Who cares if we make a mess? At least we're making a mess out here than inside.
Yeah.
Decent size. Push it all the way to the back. With how much you put in, the nicotine's going to be higher.
I know, honey. Might be on my ass, huh?
That's what you want, don't you?
If I get a migraine, though, I'm probably going to pop at least 3 aspirins. You know what I mean? Huh?
Do what you want.
Unless you want me bitchy with a headache. Are you going to say why you're doing this?
I will get to that point when I get to it.
Okay. I'm just saying that.
What?
I'm just waiting on you. You still have a shit ton left, huh? Is it gross? It's decent. Could be worse. You're not gonna puke on me, are you?
So, my body's higher nicotine levels.
I'm not saying I'll get sick. I'll just probably get a pounding headache if that, you know what I mean?
No, you probably will get sick, depending on how your body's affected to it.
Well, let's hope and pray it's just a headache, huh? I can handle a headache over puking.
I'll leave you a pinch.
Is that a pinch?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do the whole.
I wanted to do it with you, man.
Well, that's how much we got left. Less than half a can. Okay, I'll do
one more. Good.
I ain't down nothing.
You got poop on your lips. Yes, I call it poop. Because it looks like poop.
And especially back with the tongue. Yeah.
Disgusting.
So fucking gross. Then again, it's worth it. For the price you pay for it, yeah, it's worth it.
Give me a second. I'm still trying to move it.
That's what she said. And I'm going to tell y'all the reason why we're doing this in a minute. It's easy.
You could push. I don't want to risk it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Alright, well, I'm doing the rest of this.
I don't want to risk it.
Let's get in a boner. I'm gonna die tonight. I wish I had coordinated snow. I'm just gonna let that out there now. Then again, I would never let her do coordinated snow because it's so fine cut.
What do you look at? Is there no disease patch?
Well, my mouth is bigger than what I thought.
You should have already known that how you feel you put
Excuse me?
Hmm?
Alright, so it's not cleaned out, but it's done. That's it. I'm keeping this game because now I can say that I've actually tried this. Alright, so the reason why I did this, I woke up today, it was probably like 3 o'clock, got on a computer, looked at a computer, and I saw that we hit 180 subscribers, so that's why I'm doing this. For 160, I'm going to say 160, 70, and 80 in the title. But yeah, so if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. This is actually going to be titled differently now, I think, because I actually literally I've actually pretty much done a full can, besides like maybe 2 or 3 pinches taken out. But if you like the video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, favorites, and turn on the bell for post notifications to know when I post. If you ain't dipping your trip and keep cracking, keep packing, I hope to see you on the dip side. Stay positive, always think positive. Never think negative, never things will come your way. Always think and stay positive, positive things will come in your direction. I hope you have a great day, great night, wherever you're watching this. If I don't see you, I'll see you on the dip side. America.